Just how much money have I made on CryptoHopper in 30 days? Well, if you can deal with me sounding like a sick dog for the next 6 minutes, stay tuned and just find out.
Nerdy dude stuff.
What's going on, guys? I'm O'Brien, so welcome to a new video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, CryptoHopper, and all that good stuff. Today, I am sick as a dog, and I still wanted to spend some time with you guys and go over my results with CryptoHopper because it's officially been 30 days since I started. I believe I started back on March 28th, which this might be a little bit outside of 30 days, but I could not do a video yesterday because it was my wife's birthday and we were out celebrating. So you can understand why I wouldn't do a video because it was my wife's birthday. So anyway, let's look at the market for today and we'll dive right into it. We're not going to spend a lot of time on this video today just so I can get some rest before work this evening. Today we're looking at the market of 9.3K or 9,342 on Bitcoin. We're going over some nice patterns up and down, up and down. So being able to buy and day trade on Bitcoin alone would be a lot of fun. There is a setting in the CryptoHopper bot to do that on GDAX if that's something of interest. Ethereum 681, Ripple 86, a lot better than the 50 cents it was hanging out earlier. Bitcoin Cash is at 1,422. Excuse me. 433 billion market cap. I think that was the market cap that we saw 2 days ago when I did my last video as well. And then Bitcoin dominance at 36.6%. There's a lot of speculation. There's a lot of information out there saying that Bitcoin is going to be taking off like crazy here in the very near future. So buckle up and get ready. Excuse me. So let's jump into CryptoHopper. Now, the video I did the other day was reducing the, basically the DCA, or reducing as much loss on my Bitcoin Cash and my Bitcoin Diamond by scooping up cheaper coins, which I haven't done anything since. When the remaining Bitcoin that I have, which is only a very little amount right here, 0.007386667, the bot has been trading on that for the past 2 days while I'm still waiting on BCC and BCD to recover. I don't want to hit the panic or sell these positions just yet, and I don't want to put any more Bitcoin into to lower these percentages even though they are slowly going up, because if you look up here, even with this big loss in the position, I am still now in the green. I am in profit. I'm at 92,000 Satoshi. And that's not a lot right now, but that's pretty much the gain that I've made with the settings from last week that I have redone. The only reason why it's not showing bigger numbers is because everything is locked up down here. I wouldn't pay attention to this total BTC and assets on the exchange, the start balance, with it being down and the start balance being different because I did not reset that. I more realistically have this amount of BTC invested, the 0.085. So without further ado, let me talk about how much I've made in the past 30 days. Now, I'm going to give a disclaimer. I do understand that Bitcoin prices have gone from 7,000 to 9,000. So there is a little bit of inflation in the actual profit that I've made, but I started the CryptoHopper platform on the Binance exchange initially with $100 until I ultimately put the $500 worth of Bitcoin that I was holding in my Exodus wallet in there. So now, without further ado, I'm at $732.51 worth of Bitcoin. I originally had 0.064 roughly in Bitcoin. The only reason why I know that is because I was looking at purse.io to purchase parts for a new computer, and I was going to spend about 0.058 worth of Bitcoin, and I knew that I had 0.064. So I've roughly gained about 0.014 worth of Bitcoin with all the losses, with all the hits, with all the setting changes in Bitcoin in the platform. So probably roughly around maybe about $180 to $200. Not including the Bitcoin inflation, even though it's at, looks like $230 or more. Excuse me. So I have been feeling very happy and very successful with the platform. Just real quick to redo my settings, let's go ahead and actually, before I do the settings, I'm going to show you a couple of things. We're going to look at all the profits that the Bitcoin bot has made. We're going to switch this to sell orders, and we're going to look back, and you could see all the sales from 429. Looking down, profit, 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 profit. Manual sold, trailing stop loss, profit. Manually sold, trailing stop loss, profit. So I really haven't lost anything except back when I was readjusting those settings. I haven't lost anything in over a week and a half because this is where I was learning and adjusting the settings. And I did not stop to think that I could take less of a loss with this 15%, 10%, 7%, 5% if I did what I did 2 videos ago. So that's not too bad. Let's go all the way down to the very first, let's keep going. And again, this is just an experimentation. Like, I learn something new with this platform every single day. There's more that I need to know. There's profit that I can be making. And, that's for the joy of the viewers. You guys learn something. I learned something. So that's some great profits that I've been getting. I've been very, 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 very happy. So just to look at my settings real quick, I currently have the Kangaroo Hopper set on Binance. I am officially up 1.22%, even with the 2 bags that I'm holding that are in the negative because of the combination of buying at a lower amount and putting them together. See the last video I did. I have a Kangaroo Hopper on Binance. Signals I'm subscribed to are Mining Hamster Signals and Crypto Grower. It's $6 and $5 a month. And then I have one freebie crypto line just because I like lions. And my settings, if we go to the dashboard, are very, very simple. And since I have the Kangaroo Hopper, these are the settings that I'm allowed to have because Kangaroo Hopper can trade on all coins. So Binance, Bitcoin, no strategy, manual external signals only, allow all coins. So this option right here is an option that the Kangaroo Hopper is allowed to have because I can allow all coins to get signals from the external signals and trade upon. And then just blah, blah, blah. We can go over those later in the future as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If you still haven't gotten started with CryptoHopper, it's such a fun, great platform. It's very trustworthy. I feel very confident in the platform. I'm going to be utilizing this for quite some time until I don't see it being profitable or me being able to pay the Kangaroo subscription of $100 pretty much within the first 5 days of trading. So I'm going to keep going and going with this, and you're going to keep seeing about and hearing about it. So sign up in the link below if you want. You get a free 30-day trial on their Bunny platform, and then it's up to you if you want to go into the actual paid subscription of $20, $50, or $100 a month. I currently have the $100 a month, and it's been doing wonders for me, and I like where the settings are at now. So go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'm O'Price, and we'll see you guys next time.